Hello again guys. In this quick video, I'll show you how to lock WhatsApp application. First, make sure that you install this third-party application called AppLock in your mobile device. If not, then go to Play Store or App Store, then download it. Once downloaded, then just simply open your AppLock application. And once you open, it will require you to draw a pattern for your application, and just click the pattern that you have saved in this application. Then after that, just go or scroll down and look for WhatsApp application, and you're going to tap this lock icon. Once you tap this, there are permissions that you need to grant access for you to be able to lock this WhatsApp application. Just simply tap this icon, and then after that, your WhatsApp application will be locked. Okay, that's it guys. So now to lock WhatsApp application in your mobile device. If you think that this video helps a lot, keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.